going to make homemade pizzas tonight. I have my niece McKenna and my grandson Jay here. They're going to be here and I'm going to let them make them, and I'm just going to let them put whatever they want on there, and we're going from there. Here are all of our ingredients. We have a mixture of cheeses. This right here is cheddar and Monterey Jack and Parmesan all mixed up together. We have our mini pepperonis. We have our pizza sauce. We have our chipped ham. We have bacon. We have pineapple. We have mozzarella cheese. We have hard salami, black olives, and mozzarella balls. So we are excited and ready to get started. All right, Jay is going to spray his pizza pan with some Pam before we start. Here, I'll move that. There you go. There you go. But don't it? Okay, that's good. Lay it over here on the stove and we'll get started. McKenna already has her pizza crust right here on her pie plate. Jay, you can lay yours there. We are using pre-made pizza crust, and I'm not sure how they're going to turn out because I've never used these, but we're going to try it. But Jay's is right there, McKenna's is right here, and she's going to start by putting olive oil on hers. And you just want a real thin coat of it. Smile for the camera, McKenna. See? Y'all can talk too. They're not talking. Right, just a little. And spread it around real good. McKenna, you can bring yours down here, and I'll slide everything back. And y'all can start making them. Jay, you can bring yours over here too. And y'all can make them ever how you want. It's not soggy in the middle. Never done this on this crust, so I hope these crusts are good. McKenna and I picked them out today. We were trying to pick some good ones, so I don't know. We'll find out, huh? Okay. Whoops. Okay, that's that part. All right, now your crust is ready. Here's your sauce right there. And then here's all the toppings. Let me get a spoon for those. You just want to spread it around there. Put it in the middle and then spread it all the way around. And you can put a lot of sauce or a little bit of sauce, ever how you want. Looking good, Jay. All right, you can move over here too. And you can start doing yours, and we'll move over here out of your way. Come on over here and start your pizza. Yep, just bring yours. And y'all can put whatever you want on them. Y'all tell the camera what you're putting on them as you put it on there. Go ahead, y'all can talk. It looks like McKenna's got sauce. And she's putting the 5 cheese blend on there. Jay's adding the sauce to his. Y'all can look at the camera, wave, and talk. They're acting like they don't have tongues. And I know they talk a lot. Look at that. You like a little sauce, don't you? That's the way I like mine too. Look at that. All right. Now, what else do you want on yours?
Pepperoni.
All right, put pepperonis all over it. That looks good. Go ahead, just smooth them out around there. I already have the oven on, so it'll be ready when they get through. These look good. These are going to be better than any store-bought. What you think, Daddy?
I'm ready to eat them.
I know, it's smelling good, isn't it? We're having our own Italian.
It's funny, you turn the camera on and everybody gets quiet.
I know. These two have been running their mouths all evening. And then look at them. They're both standing here like they can't talk.
Not all evening.
We're
Look,
professional
just
chefs.
look.
We gotta concentrate.
That's right. They're concentrating. They're making them professional. Right, what else you want on yours? Mozzarella balls. Yeah, just spread them out. You don't want to get them too thick in there. Just spread them around because that'll be chunks. And it will melt as chunks. Look at that. You don't want any more? Alright, that's shredded mozzarella. If you want to put a little bit of it on there, or is that good? Yours ready for the oven here? Like this.
Says to put on the cookie sheet.
Oh, it says to put on the cookie sheet?
Mhm.
Okay. Jay's got my only pizza pan. Let me see if I have another one. Maybe we'll have to wait. Like I said, I have my niece McKenna and my grandson Jay, and they're cooking away making their own pizzas. So far, McKenna has sauce, 5 cheese blend, mozzarella balls, mini pepperonis, and she is adding pineapple to hers. I love pineapple. It's good. And Jay looks like he's got sauce, 5 cheese blend, some mozzarella shredded, pepperonis, and now he's putting hard salami on his. There's little ham cubes too. Look at that.
Mine's done.
Here, hers is done. All right, hang on just a minute. We'll stick them both in the oven. Jay's spreading his out. Oops.
If you'll
Yeah, just use your hands. Y'all's hands are clean. I made them both wash their hands before we started. Because I am funny that way. Isn't that right? Granny likes her hands to be clean. Oh, he's putting bacon on there now. He put ham and bacon. I think he's making a multi-top. You know what? I should have got some bell peppers and some stuff like that out. That would have been good. There's your black olives. Oh, he's putting pineapple. He's putting everything on his. Look at that. That's going to be a multi one.
I'm gonna see if they're this quiet when I turn the camera off.
I'm telling you, you need to turn it back on and get them. Because they talk a lot.
They don't know it. They're just gonna be YouTube stars.
That's right. Wave to the camera, YouTube star.
McKenna's debut right here.
That's right.
Yeah.
It is. Jay's spreading his out. And throw you some. What else you gonna put on yours? Black olives?
Yes.
I figured that. He's a big black olive person. See his black olives? He's got a little bit of everything on his over here. And then you can throw some mozzarella balls around and that'll be awesome. Whatever else you want to put on there. You got ham, you got, I think you got everything but the ham.
I put the ham on.
Oh, you did? So he's got ham. So he just needs mozzarella balls and he'll have everything. Oh, do y'all want pepper rings? I forgot the pepper ring. Got pepper rings and jalapenos. If y'all want either one of these. Y'all want some of those?
Mm-hmm.
Of course you do. Yes, ma'am. We're just going live with these jalapenos over here. Do you see that?
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
That's gonna be good. It's gonna be hot.
Not that hot.
Oh, I don't know. It might be. Be sure you wash your hands when you get through with those. Well, after you get your pizza made. Okay. Now put your pepper rings.
Get something in your eye?
No, he does not. Don't make him grab his eye.
Sounds fun.
Look at all those pepper rings. That'll make it taste good.
You know what we're gonna need to go with this, don't you?
Some bread.
No, we're gonna need some ice cream.
You gonna go get us some ice cream?
Man, we'll get done eating that, it's gonna be hot.
Oh yeah, that'll be good. That looks like yours and Jay's pizza. This looks like mine and McKenna's.
Oh yeah, me and Jay will eat that.
I like ham on mine.
You can put ham on that. if you
I
want.
won't eat on half. I'll put it on half. Where's the light sauce side?
It's all my stuff.
Good, because I don't like the sauce either.
She messing up your pizza?
No, I'm doing half this
Yeah, she
way.
messing your pizza up, I think.
I'm doing half this way. Watch this, I'll show you.
Wow. Man, you got a masterpiece doing that.
Look at that. He's an old chef over here, isn't
He
he?
said he makes them in his sleep.
I'm telling you, I believe it now.
You been
He dreams about
been dreaming of
food.
pizzas?
He dreams about food. That's what it is. Oh, I didn't put salt on that, but that'll be okay. All right.
McKenna said quit adding her side of the pizza.
No, I ain't having her size. I got my size. Me and McKenna share. I'm putting black olives on mine too.
I'm starting to think we needed a third pizza.
We probably are. We're probably gonna do a third one. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it. How about that? Is that good? All right. We're going to the oven. All right. Jay, yours will go on the bottom. McKenna's yours goes on the top, so you won't get burned. Put it on the bottom and then pull itself in. Push it to the back. There you go. There you go. All right, McKenna. You put yours on top. There you go. Shut the oven and put the timer for 10 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes and it's done. All right, we'll be back with y'all in a minute when the pizzas get ready.
Now time for a little YouTube magic. It'll
That's
be done
right.
when you come back.
Bye-bye. Let's set yours on that side. McKenna, we'll let you get yours out and set yours over here. Look at that. Oh, wait. Look at that. Well, here are their very first pizzas they made, and they picked their own toppings and everything. They look great.
You proud of that one?
Yes.
Looks good to me.
Everybody smile. All right, we'll see y'all. All right, y'all get pizza.
Was it hot?
Yeah.
Put it on your plate.
I tried.
That pan's hot.
I didn't touch the pan.
Little piece of this too, that's good too. I think it's all good. It's
Pretty
all
hot, ain't it?
I don't think I have fingertips now.
Good. You may not. It sure is.
That's your pizza. That's pretty good.
Hey.
Go back.
Hey, honey. I got my
All
own.
right, here's McKenna's pizza. We're doing a slow motion. Man,
Both
it's gonna be hard to call a winner out of that one.
I know, they're both good. They got all the good recipes. Look at that. This one's got jalapenos, and this has got everything on it. This one's got my ham, my pineapple, black olives, mozzarella,
That's really gonna come
pepperonis.
down to just what you like, because both of them are really tasty.
It looks great. All right.
It's all good, buddy. Good job, McKenna.
Good job.
Good job, Jay. Gonna make a chef out of you yet, right?
That's right.
All right, see everybody later.